The best way to get better at programming is to practice. In this example, we're going to write a simple program to keep track of a running total, specifically a total number of steps given over a period of days. As always, this file is available for download using a link provided below in the description. We'll give you a couple seconds so you can go and download it. Then you can choose to pause this video, try it on your own, and then check your answer, or you can continue this video and follow along with us. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see here, I've got a couple of variables set up already. Both are integers, a step total and a step day. The step day is going to be how many steps were taken in that particular day. The step total is our running total. Notice the step total is set to 0, and we're going to end our while loop when step day is also equal to 0. But how can we use a while loop? The while loop is a pre-test. We saw that in our previous video, which means that it may never run the body. So what value do we set step day to initially? Well, there's actually an easier way in C and C++ programming. That is to use the post-test conditional loop. What does that mean? Well, it means it's going to run the body at least one time, then it's going to check to see do we need to run the body again. This is known as a do while loop. So I'll start off with do. I have my loop body inside my braces. I'm going to come back and fill it in just a second because I want to get this while condition matched. I'm going to say while, I'm going to write my condition. That's going to be step day is going to be greater than 0. As long as it's greater than 0. And I could say not equal to 0, but this is just as easy. Okay, so while it's greater than 0, we're going to keep doing this loop. Now, what's going to be inside that loop body? It's going to be my prompt, my getting my input, and then I'm going to increment my step total. So I'll say cout we'll say enter 0 to exit. Then I'll say step total. Notice I'm going to use my augmented operator. We saw this in our previous video. It just makes it a little bit faster and easier for me to write. That's all I need inside that body. Once we're done, we'll just print out our total. I'm going to compile this and run this program. Notice that it's asking me again. That's because my value was above 0. And then if I hit 0 or some other value, it's going to exit me out and give me my total. So this is a nice little working program. Shows how to keep track of running total. Running total could be a number of items being sold, customers that came into a shop. Doesn't matter. This is a nice, easy way, and it's going to work the same regardless of how the information is being processed. So simple, easy way to go and do something like this. If you like this example, please give this video a like, and then consider watching the rest of the series and even subscribing to the channel.